Hello again, I'm Dale from Tyre Sealant. What I would like to show you this time is when we make a purchase of a self-installation kit, a box, what we actually get, and also to show you how easy it is to install. So here's my product here, my box. If I opened it out, what we will see is, multitasking, I get my bottle, I get an extension tube, and right on the top I get a valve removal tool. Okay, a valve core removal tool. So that's the three items that we get with our kit. Okay, we've already described how the product works. We've already described what the product is. So when we get our motorbike or car, motorbike tyre, we take off the cap, okay, we deflate the tyre with our valve tool, okay, then we insert the valve tool and remove the valve core. That will deflate the tyre totally, okay. Put that down to one side in a safe place. Ideally we want our valve at 7 or 5 o'clock. Something like that. It's always easier to squeeze down as opposed to squeeze uphill. Now with our product, you'll notice we have a telescopic cap. Okay, so if we take the top off, we will need for motorbikes our extension tube. Okay, the reason we need the extension tube, as I will show on still photographs in a minute, is we have chains, we have discs, we have all manner of things that get in our way. Okay, I know this is the front wheel, but on a motorbike, and exhausts. So what we need to do is to, like I said, put our valve at 7 o'clock. We slide over our extension tube, invert the bottle so that is as straight as possible. Obviously we have to go through, find a gap between our chains, our sprockets and exhausts, etc. And then literally we just squeeze the product in, okay, in through the valve. Okay, it might take a couple of goes and we might get a blockage. If we get a blockage, don't panic, okay, take the cap off, take the extension tube off. And ideally, if we have something like a spray can straw, semi-rigid straw, that can poke through and push the product through any blockage, if it so happens. If it doesn't, fine, okay. We can, by also taking it off, we can check where we are on our level on our bottle, and if we need to put some more product in, we can sleeve the valve again, insert the bottle and squeeze some more product through. It's that simple. So we squeeze the amount of product that is required, subject to what size tyre. Big motorbike tyres are 250 millilitres as on the marker. So it's half a bottle per tyre, front and back. Some bikes require less. Never put more than half a bottle in each tyre. Once that is complete and we're happy, we can clean off any spillage if we do have some. I've got a little bit there. Clean off any spillage. Okay. We can replace our valve core, nip up with our tool, valve core removal tool. Okay. Then we can re-inflate the tyre using a foot pump or compressor, whatever we have, to manufacturer's recommended tyre pressures. Once that is done, you're away and ready to go.